Hello everyone, this is Fixer Baba. We are repairing one iPhone 7 which has an audio AC. So you can just have a look how we repair the audio AC. Any problem with your iPhone devices and MacBook and other devices, we are going to fix any of the problems in Bangalore, Kormangla. Fixer Baba is now here. So you can just log into our website. It's called www.fixerbaba.com, or else you can contact us 9620760000. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Updates on time. Thank you for watching our video.